Alright, I want to show you how to input a listing into our realtyanswers.com website. So at this point, you've already put all the information into the MLS system, and you feel real good about that. A lot of the websites that we upload and work with are going to be automatically pulled up and uploaded, but for our specific website, we have to put the information in. So I've logged on to the Realty Answers administration side. If you need to know how to do that, watch the video on that. And then there's a section here that says listings. And at the top, I'm going to click the listings button, and it's going to take us over to the listings side of the website where we can do the editing and things. And we're going to have some options. We're going to have a chance to choose some of the listings that we've got if we wanted to edit them, and we can do that right there. Or we can create a new listing. And my new listing options are create a listing manually. So that's what I want you to do, is a blue link right here. And if you click on that, let's see, did the computer register? It sure did. It's going to open a separate window. And this is very, very self-explanatory. Once this window pops up, it's going to have some fields for you to load data into, to upload photographs into, to upload descriptions into, and it's very simple. So here's where you put in the address, go put the street, city, zip, state, all that good stuff, neighborhood type or name, price, for sale. At this point, you'll have the MLS number, so put that MLS number in there. And coming down here, save and continue. It's going to ask, it wants me to put in more information there. And let's see, detailed property information. Along the left side here, you've got all your tabs or your fields. When you get here to this property description, I want you to go to the MLS and pull the description out of the remarks. Cut it out of the remarks and plug it right in here. Do the same thing for the short description. Landscape description, describe the yard. Style, if you've, you know, whatever style house it is. Again, very self-explanatory. If you've put in the MLS, you'll have no problem inputting the information here. And then where it says images under media here, I want you to click manage images. And it's going to open up a separate screen for you. And then you're just going to go to your hard drive where you have saved all the images for this particular listing and click add photo. Go to where it is on that file and get those photos uploaded in there. Very, very easy, very self-explanatory, as I've said before. If we've got a mouse on house tour, let's add a virtual tour there, and just kind of keep coming down through here. On the syndication page, you want it syndicated in as many places as possible. So click all of these things because we want to throw that out to as many locations as possible. And then marketing, listing is not saved. So it's going to want me to do some of this in order to save some of this in order to do it. But as you're going through, again, we want to throw this out to as many things as possible. Presentation settings, listing URL. We can have a custom URL, and it's always going to be Realty Answers and then the house number and the street name. So we can do that. And once you've finished with all these, you just want to save and continue, and then save and close once you're finished. And then go to Realty Answers to make sure that it appears correctly. It appears the way that you want. And we will have then a listing up on realtyanswers.com, which we can utilize. So it's as easy as that. If you have questions, call, email, or text. And I appreciate everything you do. Thanks a lot.